Hi, I'm Kyle Mitchell with Whitaker Brothers. We're here in our demonstration room with the Akiles ProLam Ultra. Now this is a very full-featured laminator from Akiles. It's got a lot of fun things you can do with it. We've got the control panel over here on your right side, and right here is the laminating throat. If you come in a little bit closer, I'll show you what all these buttons do. So if you're familiar with Akiles products, you'll know what this grid is right here. This tells us, based on pouch thickness, exactly what temperature we should have the laminator set for. Since we're going to be laminating with 3 mil laminate, we're going to set this at 100 degrees. But there's also memory settings right here, so we could just push the number 2, and it would automatically set all of these for us. And the same applies if you have 5 millimeter, 7 millimeter, 10 millimeter, 14 millimeter. You've got all the temperatures that are necessary for the machine to operate well. Now just below that, we've got an LED screen right here, and this gives us a lot of important information. To start with, right here we've got 100 degrees. That's how hot the laminator is set for. We've got the speed set for 9 just because we want to show you just how fast this thing can go. These two identifiers down at the bottom mean that the rollers are currently working. So if we were to put something into the throat of the laminator, it would absolutely pull it through. This fan right here means the fan is blowing, keeping the equipment cool enough to be used. And this is important because there's a lot better ventilation, a lot better fan system on the ProLam Ultra. It allows it to cool down a lot faster. And this light that's flashing right here, that's going to come on every now and then. We have it set for 100 degrees. It's just about 100 degrees, but this comes on whenever the laminator is heating up. So I'd say it's probably at 99 degrees, and the laminator's just trying to bump it back up to 100. So less talking, more laminating. I'm going to take my film, my pouch, and I put my piece of paper inside of it, and I just fold it over. You can purchase these pouches from Whitaker Brothers. And then we just put it through the throat. Now watch how fast this pulls it through compared to a lot of other laminators in this price category. The ProLam Ultra really does work a whole lot faster, and if you're doing a lot of lamination, that time could be pretty helpful for you. So I'm going to show you what we just did. This is at a speed of 9, so close to the max the machine can do, and I can't find a single spot where it did not seal perfectly. If you take a look at it, we also have no inflection. And if we look at the flip side, that looks pretty good as well. No problems at all. Very high quality lamination, very high quality seal. There's a few other really neat features about the Akiles ProLam Ultra. To start with, we're focusing a lot on hot laminating, but you can also do cold laminating as well. You just hit this button, the heat turns itself off, and it becomes a standard cold laminator. Great for prints that have color on them when you want to laminate them. You can also adjust the temperature and the speed in real time. So if I've got a big long banner going through and I discover I might want to bump the temperature up a notch, I can do that as it's pulling through. But how can I tell exactly what temperature the rollers are at right this second? I can just hit this button right here, and you'll see the 99 that flashed on there. That means that the target temperature may be 100, but the rollers are actually at 99. And that's pretty close. You're not going to be able to notice a difference of a degree in your laminating quality. Alright, so that was a quick video tour of the Akiles ProLam Ultra. It really is difficult to find this collection of features at a price point quite like this. I mean, the ability to see exactly what temperature the rollers are at, the ability to adjust the speed, and the ability to do all of that while the machine is running, that's something that's kind of difficult to find. That's why we're really excited about this product. My name is Kyle Mitchell with Whitaker Brothers. Thanks for watching.